Going to try a pleat wrapping machine in our manual pleat wrapper. It's been designed in accordance to the soap dimension. So this is a big bath soap, and for this we have designed this for one of our customer. How it works? This is a pre-formed wrapper which can be CPP or BOPP or any film you want to wrap on. So that needs to be rotary cut and put it on the wrapping zone. Then you need to close this from the top side where the soap can be loaded. It can be loaded from the center like this. Okay, once it's been placed out here, we need to manually give the nipping from the top. It can be nipped until it gets into the iris section. Once it gets into the iris section, we close the iris ring and then we release the lever and left it back. Okay, so how it this has been pleated properly. So we just need to label it on the top manually. While you label it, you need to just press it manually and release the iris. Once you release it and open your hand, it will be popped out like this. So you can see that the pleat has been properly given and the label has been stuck on this. This is how the pleat wrapper works. This is another demo. You can see there's a 24 pleat. That's a 24 plated pleat soap. So this manual wrapper work like this. It is customized one. We can make as per size, as per dimension. One soap, one unit. Thank you.